In this video, we're going to do a quick introduction to polynomials. A polynomial is an expression of two or more terms. And if you remember, terms are separated in algebra by addition and subtraction signs. There are several special types of polynomials. We have a monomial, and this can be a constant, such as 2, 3, or -1, a variable, such as x, y, or z, or the product of a constant and one or more variables, such as 3x, -2y, or 9mn. Another name for a monomial is a term. So every monomial is a term. A binomial is a polynomial of two terms, and that prefix bi means two, and nomial is number, so there's two numbers, two terms. And an example would be 3x plus 1. A trinomial is a polynomial of three terms, such as z squared plus 2x minus 8. So there's three terms there. The degree of a polynomial is the highest exponent present in the polynomial. So a polynomial with a degree 0 is called a constant. A polynomial with degree 1 is considered linear. So if I were to graph it, form a line. A polynomial with degree 2 is called a quadratic. And that makes a U shape, so linear, quadratic. A polynomial with degree 3 is cubic, and it makes a shape that looks like this, kind of a wiggle. A polynomial with degree 4 is called a quartic, and that kind of makes a U shape with a bump in the middle. And a polynomial with degree 5 is called a quintic. And after that, we get kind of, we don't give them as many different specific names, and this is going to look something like that. So it looks similar to the cubic, but with a little wiggle in the middle. A polynomial is written in standard form if it is written in decreasing exponential order. So exponents start high and then go to low. All right, examples. Write each polynomial in standard form, then name the type of polynomial and state the degree. So my first example is -1. That's already in standard form. It has a degree of 0, and it is a, it's a monomial. There's only one term. So degree 0, which means that it is a constant. All constants have a degree of 0. All right, number 2, I have two terms. So that's going to make this a binomial. My highest exponent on the A is a 1, so it's going to be a first degree, which makes this a linear polynomial. Number 2, I need to write in standard form, so I'm going to start with the highest exponent. So I'm going to have -2a squared plus 8a minus 4. It's my standard form. This is a trinomial. There are three terms. Highest exponent is 2, so this is a second degree. And if it's second degree, that means it's a quadratic. All right, next one, already in standard form, decreasing exponent 4, 2, 1. Three terms makes this a trinomial. Highest exponent is a 4, so it's going to be fourth degree. And it's a quartic expression. Last example, not in standard form. My exponents are not in decreasing order, so I'm going to start with the 10n to the 7th. And then I have plus 7n to the 5th, plus 10n to the 4th, minus 3n for standard form. There are four terms here, so there's no real special name. We're just going to call this a generic polynomial. It has a degree of 7, so it's 7th degree, my highest exponent. And there is no, again, special name here for the type of polynomial. So it's a polynomial of 7th degree, and that's all we can say about it.